Hey everyone, it's Charlotte Fairburn here, owner at Aesthetics 360 Face and Body Center in Milwaukee's historic 3rd Ward. So, we've been getting a lot of questions. We've always gotten a lot of questions about what should I expect the first time I come to your Medi-Spa? And I figured since we have a lot of new followers and a lot of people out there that follow us that are considering coming in at some point, whether you come to us or any reputable medical spa, I wanted to kind of review what you should be looking for no matter where you go. And this is going to go over a minute and go into the IGTVs, but you really should watch it and listen. Whether you are going somewhere else right now, or you're thinking about coming to us for the first time or going to any medical spa for the first time. So at Aesthetics 360, we pride ourselves on our solid 5-star reviews, our experienced team of providers. I've been in this industry as a business person for almost 24 years now, and have worked with hundreds and hundreds of practices over the last couple of decades in 3 different states. And so everything that we implement here is designed to give you the most thorough experience there is. And so that starts when we get contacted by you. So if it's your first time coming here, you will contact us via the phone or a submission form on our website. We're going to ask you a lot of questions. We're going to really kind of vet what your concerns are so we know which provider's schedule to place you in. And sometimes it's multiple consultations in the same day, back to back. So whether it's injectables or like Botox fillers, skin, medical grade products, laser, the whole gamut, we will make sure you're with the right providers. When you do come in, there will be new paperwork to fill out. We need to know your medical history. We need to remember, this is not like going to a salon to get a makeup application. We are doing medical aesthetics, and medical is the key word. You have to make sure you're with people who are very, very thorough in the education. So we want to know about your medical history. It matters. It matters what supplements you're taking. It matters if you have an autoimmune disease or if you're prone to anxiety, and if you're taking any medications. It all really matters. It matters if you had a vaccine within 2 weeks, or you're going to have a vaccine if we're going to be doing actual treatment. If you have dental appointments, these all matter depending on what you're having done. So really thorough background. You'll meet with one of our providers. Their job is to fully educate, answer all your questions. If you leave and you still have a question, or you felt like you couldn't ask a question, then shame on us. We don't want that. We are very low pressure. We're going to ask you questions. We want to know what your goals are. We want to know what is inspiring you to seek out a medical aesthetic treatment, no matter what it is, if it's an injectable or just even a facial for your skin. And this is an informed consent process. So if you do move forward with treatment, we will take before photos. We will go through a very thorough consent form, which is a legal document, and that is for everybody's benefit. We're going to see you back for follow-up photos. If we did an injectable and this was your first time, we are absolutely going to have a follow-up with you. We need to know how it went. We need to look at it from a technical perspective, from a trained eye that the patient may not see. Maybe we have to refine the dose. We're going to take those after photos and show you how exciting it is for you to see that change. Photos are really, really important. And even with your skincare, we take photos. So many people come in and they've had microneedling in the past. I said, well, I didn't think it worked. And say, well, did you see photos? And no, nobody took photos, which is crazy to me, but it happens. So making sure that you are comfortable with your provider as well. There's a lot of really great providers in the Milwaukee and suburban area. It's not just Aesthetics 360. I mean, yeah, we're amazing. And we hope that you come here. But as long as you go somewhere where you feel then really comfortable, they might have beautiful before and afters on their Instagram. But when you get there, how did you feel? Did you feel safe? Did you feel they were really knowledgeable? Did you feel they had all the bases covered? When you looked at your provider and they were doing treatment for injectables, is their hair pulled back? If it's a female, their hair should be pulled back off their face. They should be wearing a mask. They should be wearing protective eyewear. not just because of COVID or cold and flu season, but all the time to protect themselves and to protect you. And again, did you leave with any questions or any sense of, being uncomfortable? Then that's, a signal as well. Oh, there's my phone ringing. Sorry about that. So when we have you back, we always reconsult with you. That's the other thing. How did it go? It's been 4 months since your last Botox. Was there anything new in your medical history? We need to always be asking questions, and you should always feel that it's very, very thorough. So in a nutshell, that is what to expect when you come to Aesthetics 360, but what you should expect when you go to any aesthetic establishment. And we always have free consultations. We are always here to answer questions on the phone. People know they can text or email us all the time and get replies. People know if the phone, if I'm the one getting the phone on the weekend, I will reply on weekends, I will reply in the evenings. We don't have our tagline, different from every angle and experience a 360-degree difference for no reason. So we do hope at some point you will find out why we are different from every angle and that you will experience a 360-degree difference, and we hope to hear from you.